आज हम लोग करेंगे टुडे विल डू टेफ सेक्शन ए. नाउ व्हाट इज टेफ सेक्शन ए basically? Pen down please. In your TEF section A, you have to use obviously the past tense, and it is totally based upon advertisement. It is totally based upon advertisement. Now, for example, you have seen some advertisement in the newspaper. For example, you have seen something. For example, you want to take some property on rent, right? So, what to say to rent? Whenever we rent something, what is rent? Louer.
Louis?
Louer is to rent, right? Now, for example, you see here we have to create something in past. So now, for example, you have seen the advertisement in the newspaper. So what you ask to the property owner, sir, I have seen and I saw your ad. You are using past, right? Is it clear to you? So how to speak in past? So the template is you saw an advertisement in the newspaper, and the moment you saw the advertisement, you were interested, okay, and for the reason you are calling to the property owner for rental. Is it clear to you? But over here, we are talking for past. Now, what is the formula of past? We already have done H verb. Tell me. We already have done our verb. Tell me, Vandana.
Yep.
What is H verb conjugation in present tense? Because in order to make past, we have to use two verbs, H or either our. That is very important. Pen down, please. In order to make past tense, we have to use either H verb or either our verb. So what is H verb conjugation in terms of present tense? H verb conjugation. Tell me. We have done je suis, tu es. Tell me yes and no. Is a mark.
Yes, sir.
Je suis,
Il allait.
tu es, il elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils elles sont. What is our conjugation? Tell me. J'ai, tu as, il, elle a. Remember? Tell me, Vandana. Nous avons,
Yeah.
vous
Nous
avez.
avons, vous avez.
Il, elles ont. Is it clear to you, Stanley ji? Stanley ji, is it clear to you? We have done something in past. Now, this is your our present tense. Clear? Our present tense. Now, for example, in French language, whenever it is past, listen to me very carefully. Whenever it is past, it could be any past. Past continue, sorry, past indefinite, past perfect tense, present perfect tense. It could be any past, future perfect tense. We have to use h or either our verb. This is, yes, that's a rule. Now, what is past tense? Basically, the past tense formula is either we have to use, pen down please, h, our, verb, présent, present tense, plus pp of the verb. What is pp? Pp we call as past participle of the verb. Now, for example, we have verb parler. Parler is to speak. Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Now, if any word is ending with er, what would be the past of er? The verb ending with er, we have parle, ague. A wala symbol. Let me write it down. This E, that one symbol. Parle, ague. Now, what is manger verb? Tell me. Manger is to eat.
To eat.
What is past of manger? mange, ague. This symbol we called as ague. That symbol we called as, tell me, ague. Is it clear to you? This symbol we called as ague. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now, obviously, if we really want to create past, so what we do? If I say I ate, past indefinite, I have to use our present verb. J'ai, I. What is our present tense? I have. J'ai
Yeah.
mangé. And that E, ague. Is it clear to you? I spoke. What you will say? J'ai parlé. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Now, there are some verbs which we conjugate with adverb. There are some verb which we conjugate with our verb. There are some families. I will tell you the families of adverb wherein the some verbs which we take the help of our verb, which we take the help of adverb. Is it clear to you? But obviously, see, you are understanding something that if my verb is ending with er, so the past is a wala symbol. Is it clear to you, Agu? But there are some rules with er ending verb. Tell me, what is er ending verb in past? Tell me, e a
Mm.
wala symbol. Tell me yes and no.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah.
Clear? Now, for example, there's some verbs which we don't have ending, which we have to understand the ending by heart. Now, for example, I'm giving you some verbs which you use in your TEF section A. Always you will use, and always you will use the templates. For example, leave is to read, voir is to see. Now, what is leave present tense? Again,
Lead is to.
uh, 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 lead basically it is an irregular verb. You need to understand present tense by heart. Je lis, lis, present tense I'm talking about. Tu lis, present tense. Elle lit, nous lisons. Is it clear to you? Vous lisez and elle lise. This is your present tense. And the see you have learned. For example, speak, spoke, spoken, eat, ate, eaten. Why? Because you have learned by heart. It is not eat, spoke, and eat, ought, spoken, oughten. No, you have done eat, ate, eaten. Walk, walked, walked. Is not eat, eated, ate. Why? Because you understand these things by heart. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
The same in French also you need to do practice. The lead past is lieu and the voir past is view. The lead past is lieu, practice. And the what past is view. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes
Okay.
and no.
Yes, sir. D'accord.
D'accord? Now what is the
Yeah.
what is your this thing? The what present tense? Je vois, I see. Tu vois, you see. Elle voit, he, she sees. Nous voyons, yes. Vous voyez, present tense. Nous voyons, pen down. Vous voyez, il, elle, voit. Is it clear to you? This is your
Yes, sir.
present tense.
So like हम जब according to person इसको change करेंगे, so it's gonna be like same view.
Yes, view will be same. For example, if I
Okay.
say I saw, your
Yeah.
our, you take the help of our verb. J'ai vu. You saw, tu as vu.
Okay, so we are just conjugating the
Yes,
one. Yeah.
exactement. Il, elle, a vu because our present tense. We saw. Nous avons present tense our view.
Yeah.
Is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
If you say I read past, j'ai lu, tu as lu. Is it clear to you? So lieu is same with every conjugation, sorry, with every subject, but we need to change those our verbs. J'ai, tu as, il est là, nous avons, we saw. We read. Tell me.
We
Nous
read.
avons, nous
Nous
avons
avons.
vu. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Now, for example, mademoiselle, what is TEF section A? In your TEF section A, for example, you have seen some advertisement in the newspaper. For example, that is a apartment on rent. Is it clear to you? So pen down, please. You'll say hi. Pen down English template. Hi.
Okay. Hi.
Good morning. Either good afternoon.
Good morning.
Pen down, please. I believe. No, no. We will use a simple template.
Okay.
I saw your advertisement. Pen down, please. I saw your advertisement in the newspaper. I saw your advertisement in the newspaper, and the moment I read the advertisement, in your newspaper column, I was excited because religiously,
Because
religiously,
just
I am looking rental property in your area. So
so
these
you
are the
said like uh, religiously, like
yes,
RELGIOUS. That
religiously. Yes.
religiously. Okay.
Now, what do you say? Salut. Either you say bonjour. Salut, we have an informal phrase. Okay? Salut. Bonjour. Now, what is English? Tell me. I saw.
Good morning.
Have you passed? J'ai vu votre annonce. Votre is your. Annonce is advertisement. Annonce, announcement. Is it clear to you? Répétez après moi. J'ai vu votre annonce
Je veux prononce donc
dans le journal.
le juge.
Don't journal is a newspaper.
No,
Le
newspaper.
in the newspaper. So répétez après moi, mademoiselle. J'ai vu votre annonce dans le journal et and au moment
And
and the
mm,
moment. Au moment, j'ai lu past tense. I read. J'ai lu l'annonce, the announcement. L'annonce. Is it clear to you?
the nouns, yes, sir.
J'ai lu l'annonce. Well, we say I was excited. Now, j'étais, pen down please, I will tell you what is été. J'étais excité, excited. J'étais, pen down please. J'étais excité. What is was were in French? We have a verb. First of all, excited verb is excité, full verb. Excité. E running verb converted into E a wala symbol. Now, what is was were? My teammates, listen to me. What is eth verb? Tell me. Eth verb is MR pattern. Tell me yes and
Is a
no.
math. Yes, sir.
Yashasvi, what is the past of eth was were? So you have to
It
understand the formula. The past basically, what is the past ending of was were? We called as, pen down please, very important, imparfait. What is
imperfect.
imparfait, mademoiselle? Imparfait, we used in past continuous, pen down please. Past continuous tense, we call it as imparfait. Either we say, I used to do that. Pen down. What is imparfait? This is basically the tense. What is imparfait? For example, in English we have past continuous, or either we say I used to do that, I used to come on time, you is used to sentences. And the was were. So what is the formula of imparfait? Like you have done ESE ONS EZ ENT, clear? What is imparfait? The imparfait formula is AIS. This is a formula ending AIS, AIT, IONS, IEZ, and AIENT. This is the formula of imparfait, which is past continuous, was were, and used to valid
Plus, I.
sentence. So repeat
So, what is
after me.
ing then? Like continuous was verb plus ing.
Yes, imparfait. So what is the formula of imparfait? Now you have learned year ending ESEONSEZENT. The same is the formula of imparfait, which is AIS. Repeat after me. AIS,
A
AIS, AIT,
AIT
IONS,
on
IEZ, and
IZ.
AIENT. Is it clear to you, my team?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Now, for
Yes, sir.
example, we have être verb. Être is a verb. What is was? So répétez après moi. J'étais, tu étais. देखो ending is, what is ending? AIS. What is ending? Tell me. Tu AIS. ET. It
Yeah.
is just you have to put ET. What is past over here, mademoiselle? It is, formula is AIS. AIS, the same formula. It is just with eth past was were, you have to create only et. What is il? Tell me. Il
Il
était, clear?
mm, the-
Il était, here était. Formula is with je it's AIS, with tu it's AIS, with il is it's AIT. Is it clear to you? Nous étions. Nous IONS, you have to make ET IONS. So in past, basically, was sentence, it is just you need to remember, you need to start was with ET. The same ET, it is just you have to replace RE. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no.
yes, sir. We
In past was where you need to replace RE and you to apply the formula of AIS, AIT. Now, nous étions, we were.
is it
It is just you have to replace RE and ET would be same. Vous étiez. Vous,
is it
vous étiez. IEZ. And ils étaient. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes or no. So
Yes, sir.
repeat after
we
me. J'étais. Repeat after me.
yes,
Yeah.
sir.
J'étais. Tu
J'étais
étais.
J'étais,
tu
tu
étais
étais,
Il, elle était.
il elle
elle
Nous
était
était,
étions.
nous
Vous
nous
étions
étions,
étiez.
vous
vous
Il,
étiez
étiez,
elles étaient. Is it clear to you?
il elles étaient.
elles
Yes,
étaient.
Now, if I'm saying, for example, I was excited. So what you will make? J'étais excité.
Excité.
J'étais,
j'étais excité.
Excité. Full verb.
j'étais excité. I was excited. Au moment, pen down please. Et au moment, j'ai lu l'annonce. Tell me.
Un
सर
moment,
जैसे हमने
j'ai
एग्जिट लिखा है
lu
तो हम इसमें फुल वर्ब लिखेंगे या फिर इसको भी कॉन्जुगेट करेंगे
नहीं है देखो कॉन्जुगेट ही है ना j'étais I was.
या सो ईआर आएगा पीछे इसके और
ना ना ना
जस्ट
ना past excité e a वाला symbol e a वाला symbol because I excited where it is past so year ending verb is converted into e
ओके
a वाला symbol. Is it clear to you?
ओके सो दैट वाज टेंस एंड दैट्स अ वर्ब ओके
Okay, because
यस सर
pasque pasque because religieusement religiously repeat after me religieusement répétez après moi religieusement religiously religieusement
past verb because
pasque is what because religieusement je recherche I look in basically French your present continuous tense okay and your present indefinite is one and the same thing. Is it clear to you? Je
ओके सर
recherche. I'm looking. Rental property. I'm looking rental property in your area. Je recherche un locatif. Locatif. देखो, what is locatif? Repeat after me. Locatif. Pen
recherche
down,
क्या था?
please.
recherche
Rechercher is my verb to look, to search. We have verb rechercher. Je recherche. Locataire. Répétez après moi. Locataire is your tenant. What to say
टेनेंट
tenant? Locataire.
लोग
Locatif. Rental property. Je recherche un locatif in your area. Dont we have inside. Dont. Preposition. Dont your votre région. In your region. Dans votre région. Is it clear to you? In your region. So, je recherche religieusement un locatif or is it clear to you? Dans votre région. Now répétez après moi. You have written that thing. Tell me, Vandana and Stanley ji, you have written?
जी सर
सॉरी
So répétez après moi.
यस सर आई डिड या
Your tongue has to be used to with your templates. J'ai vu votre annonce dans le journal au moment où j'ai lu l'annonce. Dans votre journal, j'étais excité parce que religieusement,
translate
je recherche un locatif dans votre région. Can you speak up, Vandana?
Je veux votre annonce dans les journaux et
Mhm.
au moment je le annonce. J'étais excité par ce que légèrement je recherchais locatif dans votre région.
Very good. Stanley ji, can you speak up, please?
जब वो उतरे announce danse chande
Non,
et
non,
to
non, non, non.
momo
J'ai vu votre annonce dans le journal. J'ai vu votre, répétez après moi, all of you. J'ai vu votre,
J'ai
j'ai
les
vu,
autres
vu
boulot. J'ai vu, speak
j'ai
after
vu
me. J'ai
votre
vu
j'ai
votre
vu votre
annonce dans le journal.
annonce
annonce
dans le journal
Et au
journal et
moment,
to
et
et
au
au
et au
moment,
moment
momo
j'ai vu,
et au
j'ai
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 lu
vu
vu, j'ai
j'ai
lu
lu
votre annonce. Either you can say
annonce
l'annonce. J'étais
l'annonce.
annonce
excité.
j'étais
J'étais
excité
excité.
Okay?
Yeah.
Now, pen down, please.
So we also have like uh, punctuation in French.
We can, obviously. We'll explain to you. Okay? Now, par exemple, pen down. Good morning, sir.
Good morning,
Today,
sir.
I'm giving you the templates how to start your TEF section A. Good morning,
Okay.
sir. Today, I was very excited after reading the announcement in your newspaper. I want to have your property on rent. But yes, I need to calculate. I need to calculate and guess the distance from my workplace. I request you, if you can share your location so that I may find the distance, so that I may find the distance and can take my decision. Anything, I'm just giving you, something. Now, today, what is today? Or should we, répétez après moi, or should we today? I was very excited. J'étais,
J'étais
why?
very, très
Very good.
excité.
J'étais très excité.
Excité. Après,
J'étais très excité because I'm making this aigu also, grave also. Très, très. Très is basically your a version. So what is E? Très
très,
excité. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no. After, now, the moment you use those sentences after reading, after looking, after having this, you say this in English. What is after? After is après.
après,
Now listen to me very carefully again. This is again a grammar rule. You say after reading, after looking, after eating. That's a rule. Pen down, please. How to frame those sentences? You say after reading the newspaper, after looking something, after eating this, after going, blah, blah, after coming from there, after. We need to use our full verb. We need to use, pen down, please. How to use after wale sentences. We need to use our, tell me, full verb and the past tense of the verb. After reading this newspaper, après avoir lu, after seeing something, après avoir, full verb,
après, or,
after speaking to you. If I will say, Vandana, after speaking to you, après
avoir,
avoir, then past tense, parler, e aigu, a wala
parler.
symbol. Is it clear to
Yeah.
you? A wala symbol. Is it clear to
Yes.
you?
Yes, sir.
So aujourd'hui, j'étais très excité après avoir lu, after reading this. Is it clear to you, my team?
Yes, sir.
Après
Teatre de
avoir
excited. Value.
lu l'annonce, the announcement.
L'annonce dans votre journal.
Exactement. Exactly. Dans
Avoir.
votre
Votre journal.
journal. I want
Je
that.
veux.
Je veux que. I want that. Je veux que votre propriété. Your
What is
property.
half?
What is?
Half, like you said, I want half of your property on rent.
Sorry. Half is let the me. Pen down, please. If you say half, either you can say à moitié. Half, we use à moitié. And let me write it down.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Moitié. Half. Basically, half is moitié. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now you're saying if you make, I want to have half your property on rent. Je veux avoir. I want to have. Je veux.
Je veux.
What is je veux?
Je veux is
Je
I
veux
want.
avoir. Avoir is to have. Je veux avoir la de moitié.
La moitié. Votre property.
La moitié, the half of your property, the is of, votre is your, the votre, propriété, propriété is what? Property. These
Property.
we have agu, propriété, été. So je veux, if you say I want to have the half of your property, je veux avoir la moitié de votre propriété en rent, en location. In rent, en location. Location is your rent, in rent. Locataire, rent. Locataire is what? The tenant, okay, who will rent.
Not,
Location, in rent. Mais, why?
not louer.
Louer is to rent, to rent, in rent. It
It's
is not a verb. That is not a verb. On rent. Okay, en location. Louer is to a full verb. To rent. I rent, je loue, tu loues. Is it clear to you? Location, in rental. Is it clear to you?
okay.
Mais oui, but yes. Je dois calculer. I must. We have done the verb. Je dois
Yeah. Je dois
calculer.
calculate.
I must calculate the more near the travail of my the more workplace. What is a workplace? Lieu is your place. Lieu. What is lieu?
Years.
Place.
Yes.
The place
Workplace.
of your work. Lieu de travail. Lieu de travail. Mais ici, je dois calculer and guess. We forgot and guess. A is and. A.
Yeah, I
Deviner.
did. Yeah.
Deviner is to guess. Je dois calculer et deviner de mot lieu de travail. Répétez après moi. Mais oui. Répétez après moi. Mais oui. Je dois calculer
Maybe.
et deviner la distance. The distance. La distance, the distance of my workplace. La distance, the distance. De mon lieu de travail. Is it clear to you? Tell
Yes, sir.
me yes and no.
ज़्यादा इससे बल्कि एतर
Je dois
Da
is
भी
not
है
dois, it's dois.
Da
The
भी
verb we have done je dois, tu dois. Je dois calculer, I must calculate. And guess, et deviner. Deviner the verb to guess. La distance, la distance.
Is Devin
Divine is to guess.
Is full verb?
Yes, full and guess, obviously.
Okay.
Because and guess, either you can say if and I guess. So what you will do? And I guess.
Eh,
Et je
I
devine. Et je devine. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes or no.
Oui,
La
monsieur.
distance de mon lieu de travail. Is it clear to you? I
Oui.
request you. Demander we have done. Demander is my verb to
Is to
request.
request.
Demander. तो
Demande.
मैं देखो हिंदी में क्या है मैं
Je
आपसे
vous,
रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ मैं आपसे je
je vous
vous demande
te demande
I request you je vous demande si vous pouvez C is F
if
C is C F you can vous
if
pouvez
vous pouvez
is it clear to you vous pouvez partager partager is to share partager votre
partager
position votre position,
position
your position of your house, de votre maison. Votre position de votre maison. Votre position de votre maison, either adresse. Is it clear to you?
maison address, yes.
Is it clear to you?
Yes, yes.
So that, what to say so that? Afin que, connectors. We say so that, that's a connector basically हम करेंगे, we'll do subjunctive also in French. अभी नहीं किया, we'll do subjunctive also. Afin que is so that.
Afaka.
Je trouve, I find. Trouver is my verb to find. Je trouve le distance. I find the distance. Je trouve le distance. I find the distance. Et and
Jatra.
I can.
Jatra.
Je peux. I can take. What is take? Prendre. I can take my decision. Je peux prendre ma, mon, ma, me, मेरा, मेरी, मेरे. Je peux prendre ma décision. My decision. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Mafia.
So you have to repeat. Is it clear to you? What? Aujourd'hui, j'étais très excité.
Oui, monsieur.
Après avoir lu l'annonce dans votre journal et je veux avoir la moitié de votre propriété en location. So you have to practice like this.
Okay.
Is it clear to you? This is basically a small opening. I have given it to you today. Clear? So I will, this session and recording, I will share the recording of this session. I'm not going to with a very heavy session today because this is how you need to practice first with these contents. And Vandana and Saniji, you need to practice my sessions also. Up to which date you have covered, Vandana? Day?
Sir, the last one you said day 4, I guess.
So you can make it day 5, day 6. It is already there in the YouTube. If you did TEF day 6,
Okay.
TEF day 7, TEF day 8, right? So I'm going to share
Okay.
this session in your WhatsApp. Practice this
Okay.
session. Is it clear to you?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay. So practice,
Yes, sir.
watch those sessions, whatever recordings we have, so that it will help you. Is it clear to you?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay.